What is this called in English? Pothole. What is this called? Overhead locker. What is this called? Jet bridge. What is this called? Emergency slide. What is this called? Escalator. What is this called? Turnstile.
बॉटल जूठी है, the bottle is used. पानी जूठा है, the water is sipped. पेप्सी कैन जूठी है, the Pepsi can is used. खाना जूठा है, the food is hot.
What this action called? Shivering. What this action called? Yawning. What this action called? Sneezing. What this action called? Coughing. What this action called? Squeezing. What this action called? Tearing. What this action called? Staring. What this action called? Ringing. What this action called? Crushing. What this action called? Flattening. What happened to me? I slipped on the floor. What happened to me? I twist my ankle. What happened to me? I burn my tongue. What happened to me? I cut my finger. What happened to me? I tripped over the wire. What is this called? Kettlebell. What is this called? Pull-up bar. What is this called? Weight plate. What is this called? Stationary bike. What is this called? Treadmill. What is this called? Elliptical machine. What is this called? Barbell. What is this called? Dumbbell. What is this called? Jump rope. Watch. Clock. Gloves. Mittens. Door. Gate. Drawer. Closet. Jacket. Coat. Fingers. Toes. Table. Desk. What is this called? Feather duster. What is this called? Broom. What is this called? Mop. What is this called? Dustpan. What is this called? Vacuum cleaner. What is this called? Squeegee mop. What is this called? Garbage can. What is this called? Steel square. What is this called? Hose. What is this called? Bucket. What is this called? Protector. And this? Stapler. What is this called? Divider. What is this called? Highlighter. What is this called? Binder clip. What is this called? Clipboard. What is this called? Sticky note. Thank you.